Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create new Firefox profile on Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open up the Firefox application. Okay, and if you want to create new profile, you can go to the search bar and then you're going to type in about profiles like this. And this menu will pop up on your screen and you're going to select create a new profile. Okay, and I'm going to click on next, and you can name your profile like this, and then I'm going to click on finish. Okay, and now the profile has been created guys, and if you want to use it, you can click on launch profile in new browser. Okay, and new browser will be opened, and I'm going to click on continue, save and continue, and I'm not going to make it as my default browser. I'm just going to close it, and yeah, just like this. And if you want to remove it, you can go to your default profile and you can select remove here and click on delete files. Okay, and it's already removed. Okay guys, and that's how we can create new profile on Mozilla Firefox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.